I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by switching your profile type now. Open Instagram, go to Settings Account, and choose Switch to Professional Account, then select Creator. You do this to access insights, message filters, and creator tools. They matter for growth. Once done, follow prompts to pick a category and add contact options. Make sure to keep your profile public and at least one post visible so the new tools populate. If asked, link a Facebook page for ad features, but you can skip and add it later. Next, you configure the creator ecosystem for daily work. In Creator Settings, enable Creator Dashboard to see performance metrics and claim access to branded content tools. These let you tag paid partnerships and set permissions. Then organize your messaging. Turn on primary/general inbox and filters to prioritize collaborations. Also configure creator monetization and payments if eligible, and add external links in bio to funnel traffic. These steps, finally, you validate the setup and prepare for issues. Monitor insights for 1 to 2 weeks to confirm analytics and reach behave as expected. Adjust your category, contact visibility, and posting schedule based on data. If a tool is missing, first update the app, log out, clear cache, or reinstall. This fixes most sync problems. If problems remain, request account support through Settings Help and submit an appeal with screenshots. This ensures your creator access is complete and recoverable if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.